We're going to define our favorite food or our favorite dishes and see what we're going to do. Right. So hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Alli.
And what is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is kare-kare, especially if it's paired with bagoong. Sarap, sarap.
Is kare-kare your favorite dish?
It's because my mom always cooks kare-kare and it's so delicious, you know.
Okay, thank you for that interview. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Mia.
And what is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is adobo. Maybe adobo.
Why adobo?
Because I like pig.
Huh?
Pig.
Pig.
I like pig.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Ariana.
Nice.
AKA
Charot, I'm Ella.
And
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is adobo because my mom is, I joke, my dad is related. No, he makes the best adobo himself. And that's all. Thank you.
so
Hi.
what's your name?
My name is Lorenzo, Austria, you know. That's my name.
What is your hobbies?
My hobby, I like sitting on ladders.
Nice.
It's very fun.
Favorite dish nga eh.
I like No! I like sitting on ladders. You know?
Yeah. What's your favorite dish?
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Hey, hello. What's the name? What the name, bro?
I'm Miguel Muñoz and you can call me MM. Subscribe.
Okay. MM. What the dish, MM?
My favorite dish is Bicol Express.
Why Bicol Express?
I like hot.
Nice.
You like hot.
Hot and spicy, and
Those-
I like
Oh my.
I like white things.
Okay. Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this and